Well, battery drain is something that is really normal occurrence on a beta software, and there are some ways to extend your battery life and get the most out of your devices while being on a beta software. In this video, we are going to talk about that. So if you are new here, click that subscribe button, be sure to hit that like button, and let's get right into this video without wasting any more time. Alright, so the number one thing that you guys need to do if you are on iOS 15 beta, because I have heard a lot of you guys talking about the battery drain in my DMs on Twitter and the comment section. First of all, you need to turn off background app refresh, and how to do it? It is really simple. Just go into settings, scroll down, and after scrolling down, go into general. Then you will see background app refresh. Click on that, and then you can turn that off, and it does make quite a bit of difference in terms of the battery life. It does give you like a percent or 2% more, and that does matter, especially when you are on a beta software. Then another thing that you guys need to do is set an automation. Well, this is, I would actually recommend this to only those who do not game on their mobile, because low power mode does affect the performance of your iPhone quite a bit. I have noticed it on my iPhone 10 and 10R that the battery have been significantly improved after turning on low power mode and setting an automation for that. And what automation I am talking about is in Shortcuts app. Go in the Shortcuts app, and then going into Shortcuts app, you have to create an automation, and you just follow all these steps that I'm doing in front of the screen. After doing all that, what it will do is whenever you plug your device in the charger or whenever you remove the charger, it will automatically set the battery to low power mode, and basically you will be 24/7 on low power mode, which do increase battery by like 5 or 6%, which do matter a lot, like seriously a lot, when you are on a beta software. By the way, these tips did work out for me and my friends that I recommended this to, so that's why I'm recommending this to you guys. I have tested and it is proven, basically, right? So it have been tested and proven by me, so that's why I'm recommending these things to you guys. And as I said, if you do game, do not just, if you are even following this low power mode thing, just turn off low power mode while you are gaming, as it did dropped a lot of frames for me and for people I recommended this to. Then another thing is location services. So location services might not seem like taking like they are taking a lot of your battery, but hear me out, they do take a lot of your battery. So what you have to do is, because whenever we are setting every app and all, it does require a lot of permissions, and I even noticed that some of my apps that I don't even use do still use my location, which is actually really weird, and at the same time it should not be, because iOS 15, you know, it does drain battery, and location services, turning it on and location services being on for 24/7 does drain battery by like 5-6%, or if not even more. And another thing is, I have some shortcuts, some ultra power mode shortcuts, and you can just look up on internet. You can find like a lot of those silly shortcuts that you can use and add on your iPhone, which do increase the battery health and the battery screen on time, because increasing the screen on time is equal to increasing the battery health. As less as you will charge your device, as less often you will charge your device, and that will is equal to less cycles of battery. That's a win-win situation, I guess. So that's pretty much it for this video. If this video was helpful for you all, you know what to do. Peace out. I will meet you all in the very next episode.